In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix if the autofill or the autocomplete feature in Microsoft Excel is not working. So let's get started. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and simply type Excel, or if you are already in your Excel sheets, then just go on with that. So here, if I'm going to type Monday, you cannot see that there is an autocomplete feature that will appear right here. Okay, so how can you fix that? It's just very easy. Simply click on the File tab right here on the ribbon. Then in the list of options, click on More. Click on Options. And here the Excel options window will appear. Simply choose the Advanced option. And here you'll find editing options. And you can find the feature Enable Autocomplete for Cell Values. Check that. Automatically flash fill, check that, and then click on OK. And that's it. Okay, that's how you can easily fix the issue. So next time that you're going to type your cells on your Microsoft Excel, then the autofill feature will be available. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.